Let's bake. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like please.